Sadras, Navichas Laman, Kaite Boisen Daimion, Metididar, Amen Taken, Unzan Shaman, Zugchum Barman, Gargasa.
सुपोने शहजान पुछ मुझ लंच तेरा सब सार कत छान तक सुपोने शहजान.
My name is Shilpi and I just now watched this movie Butt Coach. It was wonderful and even I do not understand the language but I was able to absorb the emotions and it was so lovely to watch it. Even I had tears in my eyes and the songs were also very touchy. It was beautiful. Very good work.
Really liked the movie. I mean, it was a complete flashback of my childhood and the stories which I keep hearing from my grandmother, all this lullaby. Even I heard a lot of lullaby from my grandmother and even we recorded it and it was really like a good flashback and taking all the memories back to Kashmir, even the songs, and perfect, superb. I mean, keep it up, well done. We expect many more stories and movies in coming years.
Namaskar. I really liked the movie and I could understand my grandparents' feeling.
Creating such a beautiful movie, we all loved it. We were looking forward to watching this for a while. It's been an amazing experience sitting in the hall, going back to our roots, and we all loved it. Thank you so much for creating this.
Emotions, जैसे अंदर से ना वो फीलिंग आ रही थी कि हमने क्या खोया है वहाँ पे. Fabulous work by directors as well as actors. वो जो क्या नाम है वो रैना साहब का काम, अमेजिंग. और क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारे पास वर्ड्स ने हमने भोगा है इसलिए वर्ड्स नहीं है बताने के लिए. हम तो सिर्फ धन्यवाद कर सकते हैं.
वारिया असल मूवी, वारिया जान मूवी और मतलब वातन वापस कशीर तथ कोचस मंस सो तूता रिलेटेबल विद एंसेस्टर्स, विद पेरेंट्स, विद ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. मज़ा आवे बचत मतलब यो साक इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर राइड इमोशनल तो असन तो मज़. Every Kashmiri Pandit family is like this. So I really enjoyed and I wish कि ऐसा और बने so that we can all come together for such.
Congratulations to the very talented young directors of this fabulous movie and to the entire cast and crew. You guys were fabulous. And a special shout out to Ankita for making it possible for us to watch this movie sitting here in the Netherlands. I think the movie was a beautiful mix of emotions and humor and nostalgia, and we just absolutely loved it. And it was enjoyed by all generations. We went with our parents and also our 18-year-old daughter. And I have to say that it appealed to across generations. So that is a really big achievement, I think. And the story of our story has to continue across generations. I think that's very important. So thank you for doing this and good luck.
Hi. It was a wonderful movie. I loved every scene in it and the best part was कि वो कितना relatable था हमारे अपने हाउस होल्ड से. तो मतलब जम्मू के ऐसा ही किचन था, मेरे घर में भी ऐसा ही किचन है और ऐसे ही बत्ता सारे मिलकर साथ में खाते हैं एंड ऑल द जोक्स और जो मम्मी डांट लगाती है. इट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल एंड वेरी सेम, लाइक एग्जैक्टली सेम. सो इट ब्रिंग्स यू बैक टू what your parents had told you stories और exactly ऐसे ही मेरे मॉम डैड ने भी मुझे कहानियाँ बताई है कि कश्मीर में ऐसा हुआ करता था, ये था वो था, and very emotional and the acting is superb. I love the acting of everyone in the movie. Thank you so much for having this here.
As we're coming to the close of this special screening, there's a couple of people that we need to express our gratitude to. So the first and foremost, this audience. To you, to everyone that's taken the time out to be here, because time is perhaps the most precious and the greatest gift that we can give to each other, ourselves, and to our community. I think this is the first time I've seen a movie where the entire audience stayed till the end of the end credits. So that's just amazing.
मुझ लंजे फेरा सब सार